Well, good evening wherever you are on this most pleasant evening. As you can see, there's been a terrific atmosphere here. There is great expectation, excitement, and it has built nicely in these idyllic conditions. Conditions which are certainly playing their part in creating a glorious ambience. It's quite a struggle to get in here, points of access hard to come by, and an awful lot of people gathering to get through the gates, but regardless of that, there's a great feel here and much excitement for the game ahead. Really is quite a sight to behold this. It feels like a big game, it looks like a big game. Mind you, they all do at this ground. The crowd rises for the national anthem of Germany. Well, that has got the juices flowing, and now this. It is a monster matchup, Jim Begley.
Well, the atmosphere, Peter, certainly doesn't feel like a friendly. We all know about the quality we have on show here, so I hope that the crowd demand as much as they can get, and I hope the players will oblige on that.
And that gets things running.
The keeper was likely to need his best there, and he found it.
Gnabry. No, that's been intercepted. Havertz looking for the runner. Jordi Alba is there to heave it away. Expertly cut out, really nicely done. And Fati. Spain looking to pass their way through. He's found a way through. Nice defending, it's got the job done. Back into the middle. Oh, he did the hard part right, but fluffed the finish.
That was created because of good, lively movement, which pretty much dictated the pass.
Oh, it's come loose. And now a sudden chance to counter. He's got a... has a shot! Klostermann. The pressing's intense, and it's paid off. And he cuts out the supply. He's through and all alone! He's got the shot away! Gnabry. Now it's Havertz. Ferran Torres. And it's Morata. Asensio, he is onto this. Havertz. So it is still 0-0. Ferran Torres. Asensio. And that's a foul. Free kick's been given. The ball is loose. Struck first time! And he's there to make a great save.
Well, that was high-class goalkeeping there to back up his high-class wage.
Now it's Havertz. Gunter. Havertz. Played back in. There's the shot! Oh, just lacked a decent finish.
Oh, no, that was a chance. What a chance.
Oh, he's felt that, hasn't he? Asensio. Germany going wide appreciably more than they had been.
Yeah, they're just making more of the increased time on the ball there and asking some interesting questions too.
But he's gone for goal! Whistle's gone, that's foul. Sane considers his options. And the potential here for the first goal of the game. Just off target. Rodri tries to clear. Kimmich, excellent challenge there, uncompromising. And he's heaved it away. There will be a throw-in. Kimmich. And here's Sané. Decent hit! That's surely a foul free kick. Oh, a delicate chip through. Rodri gets over and intercepts. Nico Williams. Ansu Fati. That is a great ball. Asensio is alert to the possibilities, but in the end it's fruitless. Showing great feet there. He's cut it out. Danger averted for now. And this could be a Spanish counter-attack. That is a little undercooked. Musiala, and it's Gnabry. He's through here. Big, it's Muller! It's a loose ball. Unai Simon trying to keep this in. He's a sharp little ball here. Oh, that's a key interception. Can he finish? Into the pieces! He scored!
For such a big name in your side to register very close to the break, not only creates a real buzz in your dressing room during the break, but dispirits the opposition too, and sets up a decent chance to go on and finish this game to their liking.
And he's only too grateful to capitalise on the keeper's misfortune.
Oh, look, there's only one player who merits all the praise for that. Not only did he finish it, but his instincts for being where he was are absolutely top-notch.
Deadlock broken, it's 1-0.
Yeah, and they know there's plenty of work left in this one, Peter, before they can actually say that the job is over.
And he's had it nicked away. Ansu Fati. Well, that tackle was certainly sturdy. Kimmich. And it's Sané. Now it's Havertz. Fiddles it. He's had a shot! It's a goal! And the lead lost no time at all!
Well, if ever you want to see a lesson in responding to a deficit, that's it. Their heads didn't drop, and now their chins are up. Yeah, I'd call that transition with bite. They won it back and bit hard.
Half-time whistle goes. A pretty decent watch this, and each side has contributed in equal part. A couple of very good goals for the crowd to enjoy, and a game which is right on the edge. At half-time, it's 1-1. And we are up to the break.
Oh, what a half of football. It's 1-1, but it could easily be 3-3 or more. Breakneck speed brilliance.
It's been a really interesting game up to now, and the sides are predictably very well matched. Hoping perhaps for a little bit more from both parties in the second half, but as it stands, it's 1-1. And if you're just back from your break, you've missed very little of the resumption of the second half. Shot goal! Good run, lovely take, but that is where it stopped.
It didn't quite come off on this occasion, but it only needs a gentle tweak.
Muller finds himself offside. Sade to Musiala. Gnabry is offering an apologetic gesture of sorts.
Well, that's down to a simple miscalculation. No more, no less.
Asensio. Played out to the left flank. Back into the middle. Oh, important interception. Asensio looking for options for movement. Gets away from his opponent. Morata! That's a fine save.
Morata simply didn't do anything wrong. He was thwarted by brilliance.
It's their second corner of the game. Cleared away. That'll be a throw. Out again for a throw-in. Passes short and sharp. Now it's Sané. And the counter is Havertz! Goal, Germany! And the comeback is complete.
Well, his movement is all based on fine margins, and the timing of his run then was ideal.
Germany get themselves into the lead.
Yeah, for me, this team seems to find it easier to attack than defend, but now they're going to need to dig in at the back a bit.
Oh, he's found some space here. Gnabry gives his colleague a guilty look.
Oh, that just required a bit more oomph to reach its target.
Havertz, Could have been dangerous, but it came to nothing. Musiala. Oh, easy pickings there. Ferran Torres has been caught there, it's a foul. He gets the ticking off and needs to be very careful now.
Spain showing a little more urgency now, and to be honest, Peter, this is what's required.
There is an irresistible, irrepressible look about them here.
Spot on, Peter.
A mixture of good defending and indecisive passing. No progress. And it's Sané. He's shifting through the gears here. Yeah, that does look a foul. Referee's given a free kick. Nico Williams. Kimmich. Gnabry. Oh, that's well spotted. It looked as though that might lead to something quite promising, but it turned out that that was not the case. Well read, nice interception.
That's a modern defender's instinct from a modern coach's mindset.
Rudiger gets good distance on it. Ansu Fati! Oh, that's a waste.
Ansu Fati did so well to make use of the little space that was afforded to him. It wasn't easy, that.
Now it's Havertz. That's been cut out, well played. Asensio. Threads one in.
Spain really might just end up kicking themselves after that. That could well have been it.
And he's forced to go back. Kimmich stood up well to him there. And here's Sané. I think that's offside. Yes, it is.
Germany surely have to be commended for their drive and desire. Most teams would be taking the easier defensive route by now.
Havertz. Musiala. Moved forward and quickly so. Oh, well played, well played. He can get that clear.
Germany probably could have killed things off, but they should be okay here.
Ball's played through. Williams. Well cut out, no margin for error there at all. And the assistant referee has his flag raised for offside.
Spain need to give it everything they have, kitchen sink included.
Nico Williams. Sports official showing that there will be 3 minutes of added time. Kimmich. And that is that. And that gets things running. And it's Muller. Now it's Havertz. Looking for the runner. Well, played right into... And Sané! And he can clear it away. Ansu Fati. Musiala. A real chance to break. And he's straight offside. Looking for options for move. Tries a shot! Oh, the ball's run loose here. And that's been levered clear. And it's Gnabry. Gets his pass away. Now the counter. Nice interception. His positioning was spot on. And here's Sané. Gnabry. Cross deflected behind for a corner. And he's heaved it away. And now they can spring out of defence. And he's found a way past. Williams, he's got away. Neuer deals with it effortlessly.
It's good movement we're getting from that front line, very flexible.
Yeah, really easy on the eye too, yeah?
Very much so. It adds more variety to their attack and asks more questions of that defence. Cat and mouse at its best.
Ferran Torres. Can he latch on to this? That was always going to be the keeper's. Well, that's well seen too. Sané. Fiddles it through. He's in a great position. And the assistant referee rightly gives him offside. Asensio gets it back. Well timed, excellent interception. He's looking for the runner here. And that's the end of that. It all started well enough. Now it's Ansu Fati. Now, who's going to be first to this? And it's played forward. That has been cut short. Rodri. Ansu Fati. Asensio. And he's had a hit! Goal! Spain! A 1-0 lead established.
And that ought to be the trigger for a really exciting and entertaining game from here on.
Now it's Havertz. Good spot he's seen. Has a go! That's going to go a long way. Sané unable to make it happen for all his good intentions. Oh, that's well spotted. Threads one in. Well read, nice interception. He acknowledges that he... Oh, that is asking for trouble. Caught offside that time. He's had it taken off him. The ball is loose and the chase is on. Defender's on the back foot. Clips it so gently. And he's surging through. Oh, there's the clearance. And they're quick to get it back. He's a sharp little ball here. Neuer punts it upfield. Asensio, Williams, and the shot! And that's another good win of the ball. Gnabry. Havertz. Gunter. And it's lofted through here. Havertz providing an outlet on that flank. Germany, corner number 2 then. Tries to get it clear. And here's Gnabry. Interesting ball. Musiala, great leap! And it's in! Germany are all square. Great header, made it look easy.
Well, look, it's often the timing of the jump that dictates what you can do with any header, and if you get it slightly wrong, then you'll struggle, but that was beautifully met, it really was.
And that has added a whole new complexion to the game.
Well, this is to be expected, Peter, when you've got two strong teams of fairly equal standing. The outcome should all come down to finishing.
Good spot, he's seen the run. Rodri. Now it's Ansu Fati. And he has been fouled there. Ansu Fati. Well, that does look a foul. Referee's given a free kick. And here's Morata. Asensio! A really close shave, and the last action of the first half. Fantastic excitement towards the end of the half there, and a last-minute chance that really should have been converted. The midway point of the game.
Well, for us neutrals, this is fantastic. If you're a fan from either side, it's unpleasant, and as for the managers, check your heart rate.
Well, the scoreline indicates a pretty tight game, but there has been a lot of action in it, and it has been an exceptionally good watch. The score at half-time, 1-1. And we are already promptly back underway. Well played, that has snuffed out the danger. The referee's awarded a free kick.
Havertz, well, he was given the time and room initially to hold on to the ball, but eventually he was squeezed that bit harder and the task became too much. I think he's got to be a little quicker in his distribution then and get others into the match.
Musiala. Nico Williams. Clearly not happy with that. Oh, that's a nice ball, and that could set him on his way. He's free, he has got space. Turns and goes back. There's the shot! He's missed, but not by that far. Now the breakaway. And there's green grass ahead of him. It's Ferran Torres. Oh, good spread. Now it's Gnabry. Oh, he's caught him there, it's a free kick. Klosterman. He's got the shot away! Morata. Now it's Asensio. Shifted upfield. Out to the left it goes. Rodri. Asensio. That's a little off target. Well, he acknowledges that he should have come up with something better there.
Well, that's down to a simple miscalculation. No more, no less.
Skims one in. So what can they make of this? Ferran Torres gives his colleague a guilty look.
Clearly is miffed, having made the run and not get picked out.
Gets his pass away. No, that's been intercepted. Ferran Torres. Musiala. And it's Gnabry. And he's had it nicked away. Ansu Fati. And he cuts out the supply. Gnabry. Oh, just skips past his man.
We're seeing very good energy levels now, Peter. Players getting into the fit.
Morata is fouled. Schüller is being told in no uncertain terms that this will be his final warning. Ansu Fati! It could fall kindly. Goal! Spain! And again they hit the front. Neuer, and he's only too grateful to capitalise on the keeper's misfortune.
Well, it still had to be finished off, so well done for the goal scorer, but the keeper should have done a lot better.
Spain get themselves into the lead.
Look, I just think they've kept at it and got their reward. Now they need to hang on to it.
Gunter threads one in. He is through here. No way through, so back it's Muller! So close to drawing level.
Ah, that's a great response, though, and it's a statement declaring that they're not done with this yet.
Muscular approach does pay off here.
They may end up with some regret with this tactic, but you have to admire their commitment to goals.
Challenge just a bit on the firm side. Looking for the runner.
Germany really might just end up kicking themselves after that. That could well have been it.
Moved on forwards. It's a goal kick. Now then, the ball's come loose. Wriggles his way through. And it's hoisted clear.
Spain probably could have killed things off, but they should be okay here.
Jordi Alba looking for options for movement.
Yeah, it's safe to say that they just need to manage this to secure the win now.
Ansu Fati! Close, but time for no more. The whistle has gone.